Welcome to Gardener Gone Wild. It's been a while since we've made a video of all the ducky poos, but look at this. These are the babies, and look at Mum, tiny little Mum, and her big babies. Boy, have they grown. And old Smoothie there, the Drake, they're in the middle of that bunch there. He is way bigger than his mum. Hello little Evie, with your monsters, your big monsters, eh? So it's been dreadful weather, absolutely horrible weather. Wet again. Luckily we had one fine day where I was able to do some of the pooey washing with the littlies, and unfortunately we've had a bit of sad news about two of the little ones that were not thriving. They did not survive, unfortunately, and died on Halloween. One died in my arms, just went to sleep while I was cuddling and patting the little monster, and the other one just died in her sleep. So they were Styly and little Bunny. Bunny was the one that died in my arms. Styly, called Styly because I like to style my hair. Used to have loads of fun trying to put my hair into the latest fashions. Not, but yes. So unfortunately, two more little monsters gone, and poor old little teeny still is very teeny, still the tiniest, and hasn't had any feather development or anything, is inside with me and having a ball. So he won't be going outside for quite a while until he gets some proper feathers. That's if he ever gets some proper feathers. But enjoy these little monsters who are not so little anymore. Poor little Evie is so little compared to her babies. And there they are, enjoying the rain in the grass. So please remember to like, subscribe, and drop us a comment if you would like to. And until next time, stay wild about nature, stay wild about duckies, and be vegan for the animals. Until next time, stay ducky.